For all your reclaimed pine and hardwoods, call David at Reclaimed Timber Liverpool or check out his Facebook page, Reclaimed Timber Liverpool. Also delivery available within 50-mile radius of Bickerstaffe. So call David on 07341 773 555. That's David at 07341 773 555. Hello people, thank you for joining me today. What we're going to be doing today is a little project using the bandsaw and a scroll saw. So stay with me and find out what we're doing. Right, what we're going to be doing today is I recently bought a new air hose for the compressor what I purchased the other week. So to save this being lying around all over the floor, what I'm going to be making is a nice little holder to put it on the wall, and when I finish using it I can just wrap it up and it's out of the way, it's off the floor and you're not tripping over things. You could always make the same sort of thing for extension leads or extension wires, hose pipes, what you use for putting outside in your garden. So stay with me, I'll show you what I'm going to do. But I'm going to make this one extra special. I've made the lettering air hose, so people know it's a air hose. I've got myself a small scrap of pine wood for the spaces in between the holder. I've got a piece of oak flooring, which is going to be for the lettering, and I've got a piece of scrap pine. As you can see, I've put some half circle marks on it, which are going to be cut out on the bandsaw. And then it's just going to be glued and screwed together. I'm not going to show fitting it in the workshop because I don't know where I'm going to put it. I've got a plan of where I want to put it over on this side of my workshop, because I'm going to have to make a little shelf under this far workbench to put my compressor on, because as you know the lead isn't very long and I don't want to be running an extension cord to it. So to make it reach to my dedicated power source in the shed, I'm going to have to raise it up off the floor, because you only get a metre long cable on it. It's going to be raised up off the floor and it's going to be set under the workbench over there. So hopefully once it's there I shouldn't have to move it. Now I've got this 10-metre long cable with it. So stay with me and we'll crack on. I'm not going to do much talking through it. You know what the score is. You're going to see it all on video anyway, so let's get on with it. Right then, as you can see there, it's all put together. I've put 3 braces on the inside, one a little bit higher than the other, like so. It's all been sanded. I've routed the edges over like you've seen in the video. I've cut that out, which is going to be stuck on there like so. I think I'm going to paint this black, or I don't know, I might just put some oil in it. I'm not 100% sure yet. But you'll see that in the next part of the video. That's going to be oiled, because I ain't going through the rigmarole of trying to get the wax off that and inside the little holes. No thank you. So when it's all done, that'll be stuck on there like so. And then, like I say, I'm unsure of where I'm going to put it yet. I have got an idea of where it's going, but I'm not 100% set on that idea yet. But once I put it where it's going, I'll no doubt show you in a future video. So I'm going to decide whether to oil it or paint it black, and then that's going to be natural colour, which will probably be Danish oil. I think it'll look alright if that's black and that's the Danish oil, but you'll find out in the next part of the video. Right, we finished that project now. There we have it. It's had 2 coats of Danish oil on it. It's turned out really nice. I like the look of it. Like I said, I can't show you it being fitted today because I haven't got the other bits and pieces what I need to put it where it's going, but now I've got this ready, it's going to give me the incentive to give me a kick up the arse and do what I need to do. But I can just show you. There's the arrows, and there's the holder. So there you go. I'll hold it on there. Rather nice. At least it saves it being all over the floor and being all messed up and being trodden all over and everything. So if you like this project, please give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to leave me a comment in the section down below, leave me a comment. I answer all my comments back. If you'd like to go on one of my other channels and check them out, all the links are in the description down below. My Facebook, Patreon, Etsy store, everything's down there. Don't forget to go on the Facebook page, Reclaimed Timbers Liverpool, for some great deals on pine and hardwood reclaimed timbers. I've left all the details to that at the beginning of the video. Apart from that, click the bell icon in the corner, that'll alert you to the next time I put a video up. And
bloody made you. We'll see you again soon. Have a good one.